In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can update your KCB mobile app. By updating your KCB mobile app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with this app, and also you'll be able to get an app that has enhanced security features. This will also help you to fix a lot of errors associated with older version of KCB app, such as bugs and malfunctioning of the app. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, to get started, you have to go and access Google Play Store if you are using an Android smartphone, or App Store if you are using an iPhone. For my case, I'm using an Android smartphone, and therefore I'll go ahead and access Google Play Store. So just get out of KCB app first, and from here, go ahead and look for Google Play Store, and you can see mine is here. And under search here, go ahead and then look for KCB app. And now you can see our KCB app is here. Go ahead and tap on it. And now we have two options here, uninstall and open. Now, if you see it is written here open, it means you are using the latest KCB app and there is nothing you need to do from here. However, if it is written update, then it means you are using an outdated version of KCB app. To get the latest version, go ahead and tap on update, and then this will go ahead and download the latest version of KCB app and install it on your smartphone. Once it is installed, now you'll be able to go ahead and open it. For my case, I'll not be able to update it because I already have the latest version of KCB app. And once you open it, now you'll be using the latest KCB app on your smartphone. So if you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.